Patrick Donnelly at ptlarts.com. Poem number Blue Glasses. Blue Glasses. Yeah, so I can read. So, short poem. It's about that. Short. Very quick. November the 23rd. Yes, it's not. I know I failed on that side of it, but I'm still going. Number 25. I think I'm going to do 50, okay? Bold statement. Slick and even. Purpose-built, bearing the same name and a game. A back cover bonanza, flying in the stars with the dark. Does it matter? Or frozen like austerity on hot coal standing as we burn what we live on, a ball of earth crumbling like digestives in the boiling sea, the sand dune vista. So quite panoramic, that one, isn't it? It's quite sort of visual. Well, I'm an artist. Hence the trick glasses that it's got the shadows in. Okay, thank you very much.